Unlocking the healing powers of garlic, a nature's wonder. Garlic, a humble kitchen staple, is more than a flavoring agent. It's a superfood loaded with numerous health benefits that have been admired by ancient civilizations. Let's uncover the wonders of garlic in our health journey. 1. Rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C and selenium, garlic plays a significant role in boosting our immunity. It equips our body to fight off common colds and flu, making us stronger and healthier. 2. The antimicrobial properties of garlic make it a natural antibiotic. It fights harmful bacteria and infections, keeping you safe and sound without causing the side effects common in synthetic antibiotics. 3. Garlic also has impressive cardiovascular benefits. Its sulfur-containing compounds help lower the levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol, thereby reducing the risk of heart diseases. 4. For those who struggle with high blood pressure, garlic could be a natural solution. It helps widen blood vessels and promotes smooth blood flow, contributing to healthy blood pressure levels. 5. Diabetes management is another benefit offered by garlic. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing relief to people with diabetes. Regular consumption can be a great way to keep your sugar levels in check. 6. Garlic, with its anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce inflammation in the body. It can provide relief from conditions like arthritis, making daily life a lot more comfortable. 7. Did you know garlic is also beneficial for your skin? It contains antioxidants that fight off free radicals, reducing signs of aging and giving you a youthful glow. 8. The benefits of garlic extend to your hair as well. It helps combat hair loss and promotes healthy hair growth thanks to its high content of allicin. 9. Garlic supports a healthy digestive system. It aids in the functioning of the intestines and helps in the elimination of harmful toxins from the body, promoting overall gut health. 10. Garlic is also associated with enhanced brain health. It can help combat neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia thanks to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. 11. Incorporating garlic into your diet can also aid in weight management. It acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you control overeating and maintain a healthy weight. 12. Garlic may also improve bone health. Some studies suggest that it can help increase estrogen levels in women, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Incorporating garlic into your diet is simple. You can add it to your soups, sauces, and stir-fries for a flavor boost, or consume it raw for maximum health benefits. Garlic's health benefits are numerous, and its potential uses continue to grow as researchers discover more about this remarkable plant. Start adding it to your diet today and reap its many benefits. Remember, moderation is key. While garlic is incredibly healthy, excessive consumption can lead to side effects. Listen to your body and make garlic a part of a balanced diet. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe to get notified when a new video comes out.